Hey everyone, welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to walk you through the branding section where you can customize how your organization's emails and PDF documents should look, like adding your brand's logo, watermark, and even setting your own language preference. When you click onto the settings option over here and click onto the branding section, you will be able to see three different options for email, watermark, and language. So under the email section, you will be able to change your organization's logo and organization theme. So when you click onto this particular logo, you will be getting the option to browse from your system. Just select any particular logo that you want and click open. And just click done to get it saved. And in order to change the theme color to match your organization, click onto the colors and then select the desired color from the color picker. And then click save. So let us preview how it will look now. You will be able to see how your logo and the theme color will look in your final screen, like the final email that your signers will get. And when it comes to the watermark, you can click onto the existing box and just browse for a watermark from your system. Select a watermark and click open and save. You can preview this also. So this is how your watermark will look on a PDF. And when it comes to the language, you can mainly use this option to brand your emails in your recipient's desired language. So right now it is in English, and if I select French or German, you will be able to see in preview that the entire final signing screen has been translated to German. So you can select any desired language that are available here and brand it to match your signer's own language. I hope this video would have been useful to you. Thank you.